Kokti salo field chesa shoba songsai rekha Association of Service Engineers of Tripura eba ASET abono kitingene rajakhor aguli ne sukanta academy ne auditorium sakthare thirmane panda songsai rajakha a thirmane panda phai manjak phai ka haste phai Indrasena reddy nallu sakthare thirnai rogno lamsomungya farka haste pha they aboni logiwo thirnai rogni sagrok ka hamde tong abono thangwi songmungbo khlaikha aboni ulo panda bo koknarana ni furo haste phai Indrasena reddy nallu laika abo haithire mane pandano phonokmung hastete hakotoro tongkasang hafaro tongwi tongo teibu saklaika khoroksa borok ni langma busuk jora nangkuk mane abono bujire dubo thirwe a sakthare thir mane pandabo 50 jona ni kahai sakthare thir mane budukjakha
of charity. It is also an affirmation of our shared humanity. When we donate blood, we are not just giving a part of ourselves, we are also acknowledging the inherent value and dignity of every human life. Blood donation has numerous benefits, not just for the recipients, but also for the donors themselves. The blood which we are giving, it is not a surplus blood or anything. If we give blood, again we can generate within ourselves. It is just like a well. If we take water, then again the water comes in the well. So in that way, if we donate blood, then automatically we get the same blood, it automatically generates in our body. So it is not a surplus thing which we are giving. In that way, we have to think.
Bureau Report, Kokra.